SumUp vs Zettle vs Square 2025. Which mobile POS is best? Mobile POS systems are essential for small businesses in 2025, but which is best, SumUp, Zettle or Square? SumUp is simple, affordable, and perfect for small merchants. Most people get this wrong. They assume low cost means limited features, but SumUp supports contactless payments, invoicing, and detailed reports. Zettle, owned by PayPal, combines hardware and software with easy integration for online and offline sales. You won't believe what happens next. It offers loyalty programs, inventory management, and detailed analytics, making it ideal for growing businesses. Square is the most feature-rich, with payroll, invoicing, and advanced reporting. Unlike SumUp or Zettle, it's designed for scalability and businesses needing multiple POS terminals. Pricing differs. SumUp charges flat transaction fees, Zettle uses a percentage fee plus optional monthly plans, and Square combines transaction fees with subscription services. So, which is best? For simplicity and cost efficiency, SumUp wins. For integrated business features with moderate complexity, Zettle is smarter. For scalability and advanced business tools, Square is ideal. The surprising truth is that the best mobile POS depends on your business size, feature needs, and budget.